Okay guys, we're out here on Baseline. They just had this car door open, so we got here just in time, and maybe they saw me coming this way, but there's two cops here. They're getting ready to leave. Cameras here. See them high five each, or fist bump each other. So they did a fist bump. He can't get his car started, so we'll see what's up. But they had his car door open when I was walking up here. I don't know if he was out of the car or not. He said, "You don't got gas?" Told him he needs to put gas in it. The cop did. Yeah, the cop said you need to put a little gas in it. Well, you guys pulled him over. Maybe he was already sitting here. I don't know. But the car door was open when I was walking up the street here. And I said, well, let me get up there and see what's going on. Why that guy's car door is open with two cops there. God, my hand's shaking. They're looking at that car. So uneven ground here. I'm sitting here rocking because I'm on uneven ground and flip-flops. Yeah, he can't get this thing started now. They must have just pulled him over for something, because otherwise, why would the cops say you can't get it started? And wouldn't they have asked him that when they first pulled up? And then you saw him fist bump. That's the old, we got him. You know, good job, got him. Sorry, guys, that's how I feel, man. They told him to roll up the windows. Roll the back one too. So I guess he's going to have to walk to the gas station. As the officer gives him a ride. He might be going to give him a ride. Especially with the cameras here, they're going to behave. So, and I am lawfully recording. No, he's going to take off. He's tired of being on camera. And it's pretty hot, so I hope my phone don't overheat. These iPhones have a tendency to overheat and then stop on you. Shit, fingers in the way. Are they going to give him a ride? Yeah, I think he's going to give him a ride. No? Of course not. Of course he's not. I was going to say that's very white of him. But he's not. So yeah, go ahead and lock her up. I don't know, I was wondering if they're going to give him a ride since he got a... Yeah? No? No. So are they going to sit here and tow it then? No way. Yeah, let's watch this car. Make sure they don't call for 1185 since he walked away from it. So just put this cone right here behind it. How about that? Oh, he forgot something. Maybe they are going to tow it. Because he just said, I'm getting something out of it. Well, no, why would he start it, though, to drive off if they were going to tow it? This is very, very mysterious. This is very mysterious. Oh, he's getting some water. Or a jug to put gas in, I guess. So, and we'll stand here and record these guys. Doobie doobie doo. So they're gonna watch it until he gets back. They're literally gonna babysit this car until he gets back and puts gas in it. Look how slow he's walking too. Tell me they're not going to do that. They're not going to sit here until... Oh, that one's leaving. I was like, tell me they're not sitting here until he goes to get gas and comes back. Got to be kidding me, man. Well, he backed up. I think that was a fake out. Making me think that he's leaving. It's Happy Memorial Day, by the way, to everybody out there. Now he just turned his tires. Happy Memorial Day for all of you vets that have served, for those who gave the ultimate sacrifice. Thank you for your sacrifice. Now he's going to block the lane while they talk about it. Watch this. I'm going to record this. Watch this. Watch. Now they're going to block the road. Oh, no, there he goes. He's taking off now. I thought they were going to block the road to talk. Yeah, that's what I thought.